Welcome back. Now there is another way to upload content to be protected. To do that, you're going to go to your content protection area. You're going to notice that there is a folder for content for the product that we created. What we need to do is to make sure that folder is going to exist inside of our server, and we can do that using our FTP program such as FileZilla. Now this WordPress installation is not installed in a root directory. It's installed in a subdirectory. And so what we're looking for is a subdirectory or folder called file. And if there isn't one, we're going to need to create one inside of our root directory for our website. So we're going to right click here. We're then going to create a directory. We're then going to call that directory files. We're then going to click OK. We go inside of that directory. You're going to notice then that our content folder is now present. We can now open this file, and we're going to notice then that this area is now available. So now what we can do is we can upload files that we want to be protected in this folder for this product. So you see now that we have our file inside of our protected folder. What we're now going to do is we're going to refresh our page. And you'll see now that we have a file showing in our folder. What we now need to do is to make sure our folder is protected. So we're going to click on this box. We're then going to edit protection status. We're then going to make sure that this folder is now protected. What we're now going to do is we're going to make sure this folder is assigned to a specific product. And we're going to do that by going into Add Levels. We're then going to select our level. We're going to click Add Level. And now this folder will be specifically available for this product or level that we added inside of Wishlist member. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.